Well, today is Lantern Day. As you can see, Alice in Wonderland with a lantern. Oh, yeah. It can be anything big or small. I'm going to do sort of a big one today. And I hope you're going to enjoy what you see and how you can decorate so many different ways. Now the flowers I've had for quite a few years, and the container I've had for quite a while too. And the placemat is something I've had. So all of this is probably 2 or 3 years old, easy, maybe longer. Sometimes I put flower arrangements together and I just leave them. This is one of those. Somebody gave me the container. They had gotten flowers in it. I pulled them out because they were real and they were dead, and then I put my silk flowers in it. The placemat, I have a set of 6 of them, but we're only needing 1 today. And you all know that I always have butterflies in every design I have. So I thought this one turned out really pretty. What do you think? It's amazing how adding just a few little touches can make a huge difference to a display. Those butterflies add so much. What do you think? And these black and white checked trees, hard to believe they're from Dollar Tree. I've had them at least 2 years or maybe even longer now. I lose track of time, but I use them all the time because they're easy to put in any design. And of course, everyone knows I do love my Mackenzie Child pieces, and this works with that theme also. Pick a theme and stay with it. Mine is to be magical, whimsical, and that's what I do. We just keep adding a little more, and all of I've shared with you so far has been free. I've had them for years. I've used them in past posts, and the trick is to keep moving things around and mixing with other things you already own and have, keeping expenses down. Now when I added my lantern, and this lantern is going to be also under hashtag new to me. This is the only thing new that's on this display. It came from Hobby Lobby, and I thought it looked so beautiful with our theme, our colors, and what we had to share. Let me know what you have to think about it. I'm thinking we're doing really, really good. This is what we're going to put inside the lantern. So, sit back with your cup of tea and watch Grandma put this together. I think it's going to be fabulous. Our beautiful new lantern, new to me. And these are the items I'm going to place in our lantern because we're doing Alice in Wonderland. But this lantern I can use over and over and over again. It looks like an antique and it's white. White goes with everything. Same with my white butterflies. They go with everything. Doesn't matter what my scheme is, what I'm going to do. They always work because they're white. White and black are always my favorite go-to things. My trees are black and white. They go perfect with the butterfly, they go perfect with the lantern, and a little touch of green always adds a little contrast. And it goes with everything too. That's what Grandma does. She tries to buy things that go with everything, for she can reuse, repurpose as often as she can. All the little Alice accessories I've probably had for 5 or 6 years. They're not new either. Now they don't go outside and stay. They only go out for their photo ops and come back in. And of course, our little swans are the same thing. And I think they work perfect for this display. Well, still not done. I just wanted to share with you how we're progressing and why I pick the things I do. Because I want it to go as many different ways. And Grandma always likes something whimsical and beautiful. And I don't think anyone can think that lantern isn't gorgeous. Well, we're all done putting our lantern together. What do you think? How do you think it turned out? Leave us a comment. We have Alice and the White Rabbit and the beautiful, loving swans inside. And I thought it turned out pretty nice. And the only thing is new is that beautiful lantern I got at Hobby Lobby. And let's see what's going inside. Here they are talking. Oh my, I'm so happy to be back here in Wonderland. Oh, Alice, we're even happier to see you back here. And you can see our loving swans are so happy too. They are just like the last time you left them, still kissing and cuddling and cooing. You are so right. They still love each other as much as they did last year. I guess Wonderland keeps the romance going in their fun lives. They look like they always have a wonderful day. Oh, they do. They're always so sweet and loving, as you can tell. And when they're together, their heads sort of bend like a heart. Isn't that so sweet? You're right, my dear friend. Don't they look cute? I'm so happy that I was able to come back and spend time with all of you here in Wonderland again this year. It's going to be another wonderful year here. Always enjoy seeing all my old friends. I can't wait to see who else we get to see. Every day it seems like we have new people and new friends to see. Well, I guess we should leave the lovebirds alone and let them do their little cuddling and cooing in private. You're right, Alice. We need to move on, and we'll see who else we can see this week. Oh my, it's been a fun week. I can't wait to see what happens tomorrow and who we get to see. You're right, I can't wait either. I'm sure there's so many friends I haven't seen yet. Wow, let's leave the lovebirds alone and see what we can go and see now here in Wonderland and see what other wonderful things. Please let us know if you enjoyed the little short story of Alice and the White Rabbit with the Swans. Leave us a comment at the end. And I hope you enjoyed looking how I decorated the lantern. And it wasn't that expensive.